I know that there is a lot of uncertainty about what the future holds for South Carolina and for this country as it relates to the spread of the coronavirus and the fear of what's going to happen with our economy. But there are two things that I think are certain. First is the time really is now to take advantage of earning a college degree. Between the qualified faculty and staff that we have on campus and the opportunity to come at little or no cost, this is a great opportunity for any student who's thinking about college. The other thing that may present some uncertainty is whether or not you or your child is comfortable going to a four-year residential college in the fall. One of the best opportunities right now is for students to stay at home, to take advantage of the courses that we offer, and then use those courses to transfer seamlessly to many of the four-year colleges and universities in South Carolina.